check out my video. I will guide you step by step on how to grow and care for tomatoes at home properly, to get yields that are comparable to those grown in the field and sometimes even higher. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. First, to have healthy young plants, I choose seeds very carefully. I choose really old fruit so that the seeds are strong enough to make young plants. I will cut a slice of tomato and plant it in the ground, then put a layer of soil on top. After finishing the incubation, I will water it with a layer of water by spraying it on top to avoid direct watering, which will cause the soil to loosen. Before planting trees, the soil must be good so that when planted, the trees will absorb nutrients right from the start. I mix rice husks and worm castings with soil to grow plants. I mix rice husks and worm castings with soil to grow plants. After I fill the bag with soil, I will tape around the bag to keep it from sagging. I will cut a hole in the middle of the sack to plant the tree. To keep the tree moist after planting, I will water it to create moisture for the tree to grow. To keep the plant growing without interruption, I put worm castings at the base to help the plant absorb them directly. Fermented fresh milk will provide nutrients for plants, vitamin C, vitamin A. At this stage, the plant is growing very healthy. I continue to add more nutrients to the plant. I put granular fertilizer at the base. Granular fertilizer is taken from goat manure, so it has very high nutritional content. I mix liquid fertilizer with water to water the plants. Liquid fertilizer is made from fermented sea fish for a long time. At this stage, the plant needs a lot of nutrients, so I will add worm castings to the roots to help the plant absorb nutrients directly. This is also the stage where worms and fungi penetrate very quickly, so I will use chopped garlic mixed with water to water the plants. It's amazing that in just 45 days, the tree I planted produced so much fruit. Now I will pick tomatoes to cook. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.